the inauguration of President-elect Donald Trump.
Planning for a flurry of executive orders.
Several focus on immigration and the southern border.
Some federal employees are being told to stay home and prepare to be fired.
Establishing the Department of Government Efficiency.
President Donald Trump's executive orders are facing tough scrutiny in courtrooms across the country.
Attorney Sky Perryman, she's also president and CEO of Democracy Forward. That's a progressive legal organization that has sued the Trump administration.
Our organization, Democracy Forward, is working with so many others to be able to read and respond to the executive orders as early as day one.
Democracy Forward has been preparing for months, if not years, to be ready to respond for this moment.
The courts are really the front line right now. This administration is trying to move incredibly fast and in a very harmful direction.
There have been over 125 different lawsuits that have been filed by Democratic attorney generals, civil rights groups, Democracy Forward.
We've had folks working through the night to put together complaints and motions for emergency relief.
If outside people are providing input on how the government serves Americans, we have to know what they're doing.
We have a number of cases that we have filed to hold the administration accountable to the law.
The executive does not get to escape a court order.
To work on something, whether it's in a case at the United States Supreme Court or organizing locally, it is a way to not lose hope.
It was a pretty amazing experience to hear from folks across the country that said, you know, I have funding for my program today because of what you and your team did.
We've seen that success in the court so far on behalf of DF and our plaintiffs.
You have demonstrated that it is possible to stop at least some of this, and that is incredibly important.
At Democracy Forward, we have always been about going where we are needed and about taking on the hardest fights. We hear every single day from people across this country, people that don't consider themselves political, that may have never been inside of a courtroom, that are reaching out, asking what they can do in this time. We hear from people on opposite sides of the aisle. We hear from educators and veterans. We hear from parents and students and young people who are all wanting to make sure that this country, that the best of this country and its people are able to move forward together. So that gives me great hope.